Hi guys, welcome to this reading. Today we're gonna know what your summer love is gonna be about. Are you gonna fall in love this summer? Is it gonna last? Are you gonna have a lot of fun together? Who is that person going to be? It's a really quick reading, but we're gonna go and check out what the universe wants you to know about what's coming for you. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend after that. Love you very much. Hi guys, welcome to this reading, and this reading today is about your summer love. What type of love is coming for you this summer? Are you gonna be in love? Are you gonna meet someone interesting? Who is that person gonna be? Are you gonna be all excited and stuff? You know, summer stuff. Is it gonna last more than the summer? We'll discover that right now. If you can pick a crystal and a little heart. So either you can pick a crystal, which is Tiger's Eye, Howlite, Aventurine. You can pick a heart, which is the black heart, the white heart, and the pattern, black and white heart, the fun one. And yeah, here you go. So for her, pick the Tiger's Eye and the black heart. I immediately see like conflict, jealousy, stuff like that. But I just have a feeling that this has nothing to do with the person. I don't think it has anything to do with the person, more external people who are not gonna like seeing you guys together. Yeah, I feel like you guys have this energy of just enjoying being together for the moment present, like enjoying the present moment, enjoying the feelings you feel for each other, but also enjoying good food, good music, good wine. This one has like the strongest Pisces energy possible. So yeah, just enjoying each other's company and not caring about what other people think. I feel like this is all gonna happen really, really fast. That person is gonna come towards you and rapidly announce that they want you to be theirs. I feel like that person is either abundant, either sensual, either both. With the King of Cups and the King of Pentacles, you have a double king energy, which is like somebody really powerful, somebody obviously with a masculine energy. And I feel like while you're gonna be together, it's gonna be a time to chill. It's gonna be a time to rest, a time to enjoy the summer, a time to, you know, have fun, be together, have a break from everything else that might have been happening. I feel like this might have been like present or past situation even, or it's gonna happen right before this love story. I feel like this is great energy. Not sure it's gonna last. Maybe for some of you it will, maybe for some of you it won't, but it's positive for the time being, right? So you're gonna have a very chill summer, a very positive summer, and you're really gonna enjoy it. And I'm really happy for you. I'm really, really happy for you, because double king energy, that announces good stuff. And with the Chariot, it really is coming really fast. So either it's coming really, really soon from now, either it's gonna happen in one day, either both, okay? If you do resonate with this, or if it does happen in the future, come back to tell me in the comments. Leave me a thumbs up. Tell me what are your hopes for this relationship. If you know what this 501 is about, yeah, just let me know. And if you want to book a private reading to know a little bit more about all that, you can go into my Etsy shop that's not open for business. And I'm so proud of myself. And I would really appreciate if you share my video over, if you share the link of my shop. And if you want more pick a card videos, I have a whole playlist on my channel. You can also subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I have way more coming and you want to be aware of them, notified, whatever. And you can become my friend on Instagram. All the options are yours. Anyway, even if I never see you again, I wish you the happiest of life and a great, great summer with your new lover. Pile number 2. Cecilia. Don't be a bad girl. Don't be a bad girl. Okay, pile number 2. My white people. I always love saying that. My white people. People picked the Howlite and the white heart. Please stay tuned to know about your reading. Okay, so yes, there is going to be a union, a new celebration. I'm about to get up to go whoop her butt. And if you want to know who Cecilia is, you gotta follow me on Instagram. See that? How smooth was that? Okay, so celebration, wings, wind under your wings, union. Okay, I have to go because she's gonna just toss all my stuff on the floor. Okay, so it's the beginning of something, all right? And I feel like it's the beginning of something meaningful. Definitely something very meaningful that's gonna make you very happy. Really great things are coming for you. Amazing things are coming for you. Like a source of inspiration. Something, I feel like this is meant to last long term. It's really like the beginning of something because you have 2 pages. The cups are more communications, relationships, and the wands are something that are more personal. So I feel like maybe you both are gonna make plans together. Maybe plans to travel, maybe plans to build a home. Cecilia, maybe plans to even, move in together, get married, get together, like do something a little crazy, but long term. And also with this image of family, I just really feel like you're going towards this long term, really meaningful energy. I'm so happy for you guys. I feel like this is gonna cleanse this is gonna heal. It's gonna be healing. I'm so happy for you. It's gonna be so great. If you want more information about this, you can book a personal reading. My Etsy shop is open for business. Please subscribe. Please check out my other pick a card. I have a whole playlist on my channel. And what else? I love you very much. Leave me a message in the comments if you're expecting this, if you're believing in this. And I'm gonna pass on to pile number 3 if this little itch is gonna know me. Would you stop? Number 3, my pattern people. Thinking outside the box much? What's coming for you this summer in love? The world. Oh my God. Happy things. Well, she decided to join us. Do you mind? Witchcraft. Witchy love. She's the one disrupting our lives. The world. Good things are coming towards you. Possibly travels. Possibly something related to animals. A new pet. Maybe a zoo. Please don't go to SeaWorld. The world. Good things. Possibly a zoo. I don't know why I'm saying that. Because I always see like those animals that has nothing to do with the meaning of the card. But the world is good thing is coming and possibly travel. I see that person is an artist. Maybe you are too. And maybe it's just that you guys are going to make projects together. Possibly traveling projects. Some kind of visionary energy. Maybe you're going to like start a business together. Because you picked the Aventurine, which is having fun with money making. Okay, you're staying. Oh, you're adorable. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, I love you so much. Oh. There's no word on how much I love this one. My favorite ever. Mo baby. The Magicians. You plus that person together means great manifestations are gonna happen. Again, travel. So I think like you're gonna plan on traveling together. So maybe because it was summer, it could be a small road trip to the next city, or it could be going to the other side of the world. But be mindful that although a lot of great things are coming, you also have a little bit of, a lot of stubbornness from that person, and possibly a little bit of authoritarian, domineering energy. So just be ready to deal with this. But I don't think it's a bad thing, but I just feel like this is like a fleeing energy. Like you're gonna meet that person and you're gonna have so much fun with them and you're gonna be so excited, but be careful with long-term plans, because I feel like they're gonna get on your nerves, possibly, unless this is what you want. I see for some it could be like Aries type of energy, maybe Capricorn type of energy. I feel like with the artist and travel vibe, it could be somebody in a band, could be somebody related to music. Could be somebody related to something related to animals somehow, or the meaning of some animals. I don't think so. Why do I have that song in my head? I see a lot of animals though. Stubborn but noble energy, somehow it cannot be a problem. For some of you it will be a problem, for some of you it won't be a problem. Anyway, I wish you the best of luck, and if you want to know more about this energy, you can join me on Etsy, book a personal reading with me, or you can subscribe to my channel, wait for the next videos, hit the notification bell to be alerted, or you can go right now. I have a whole playlist with a bunch of pick a card videos. Maybe you can get more information by watching more videos about what's coming right now. What else? Well, you can be my friends on Instagram. I love you very much, and I wish you a lot of fun with this person. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Super boy, see ya. Bye bye. Bye bye. Mommy's annoying.